This is the health benefits of oranges. Oranges are not only a delicious and refreshing citrus fruit, but they also offer a wide range of health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. Packed with essential nutrients, oranges have earned their reputation as a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in vitamin C, oranges are renowned for their immune-boosting properties. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in strengthening the immune system by aiding the production of white blood cells and supporting their function in defending the body against infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of oranges can help reduce the severity and duration of colds and other common ailments. Beyond their immune-boosting capabilities, oranges are also an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining healthy digestion, preventing constipation, and promoting gut health. It helps regulate bowel movements and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a balanced digestive system. Oranges are low in calories and naturally fat-free, making them a suitable option for those looking to manage their weight. The fiber content in oranges promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, the combination of fiber and water in oranges helps keep you hydrated and supports healthy skin by maintaining its moisture and elasticity. The vibrant orange hue of the fruit is indicative of its high content of carotenoids, particularly beta-carotene. Carotenoids are antioxidants that play a vital role in protecting cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer and heart disease. Oranges also contribute to heart health through their potassium content, which helps regulate blood pressure levels. Potassium counteracts the effects of sodium in the body, helping to maintain a healthy balance and reduce the risk of hypertension. Furthermore, the flavonoids present in oranges have been associated with improving blood vessel function and reducing inflammation, both of which are important for cardiovascular health. The natural sugars in oranges are balanced by the fruit's fiber content, resulting in a relatively low glycemic index. This means that oranges can be a suitable option for individuals with diabetes, as they have a slower impact on blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods. Incorporating oranges into your diet is a simple way to support bone health. Oranges contain calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Additionally, the vitamin C in oranges aids in the absorption of calcium and other minerals, contributing to bone density and overall skeletal health. In conclusion, oranges offer an array of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. From boosting the immune system and aiding digestion to supporting heart health and providing essential nutrients, oranges are a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in various forms, whether eaten fresh, juiced, or added to dishes. Incorporating oranges into your daily routine can contribute to a healthier and more vibrant life. Kindly like and share this video and stay healthy.